Hi, I'm Apurva. I have done my engineering from Electronics and Telecommunication branch, and I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. So it's good to see you here today. Uh, just one, do you like it if interrupt you in between and correct you,
Yeah,
or do
of
you
course.
prefer it? Okay,
No, no.
awesome.
When I make a mistake, so please interrupt me. Please try to correct me. Then I will
Mhm.
correct my error and mistake. So please do
Okay.
that. Yeah.
First thing, if you want, you can write this down. Don't use the phrase in these days. The phrase is these days. In is
D.
not there. Just cut the in part. And
Okay.
overall, it was a good introduction, no doubt in that. The sentence structure was good. Just keep that in mind. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, what would you like to do today? Should we talk on the sessions topic or should we talk on random things? What do you prefer?
Like a random thing, I think. A random topic, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Then
sure.
after that, we will shift. First thing we will discuss about topic. Then we will shift about random topic.
Okay, works absolutely. So, I think today's topic is related to risks. So, what is your opinion on risk?
Risk. So I think my opinion, we have to take a risk. Without risk, we don't know exactly what will happen. For example, if I give example, like I'm going to do, in this day, lots of people are doing marketing, like stock
In
market.
these days, no, these days. These days, yeah.
Yeah. So these days, people are, investing online sector like cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and stock market something. So over there, as a blind, people are investing. So they are taking a risk. Then they will get the information. Then they will get a like benefit and some loss, some profit. So risk is very important. Risk always get some knowledge, some like your weakness point. And when you get a risk, you will prepare yourself like next time I will never do that, this thing, that thing. So risk is very important in our life. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I completely agree with you. But you won't say blind people are investing. You'll say blindly investing because the meaning changes completely.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
people are investing blindly means they are investing without thinking, and the other one is a little different. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I completely agree with you on that point that people, invest blindly and they hope that they will get huge returns on Bitcoins or any other crypto coins. Yeah.
Yes.
So are you a risk taker?
Yeah, sometime I do myself. Sometime I do. Like yes, a risk taker. I do myself. Like because when I take a risk, then I will realize like what's my weakness point, what should I implement myself,
Hmm.
you know?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it.
Yeah. Okay. So can you recall any incidents where, you have taken a huge risk and it worked out really fine?
Oh, it's I have experience about risks. I'm going to share with you. Like it's long time ago, I was giving a exam in 15th standard. That was my college time. So I was just casually giving exam like CA exam,
Hmm.
CA, Chartered Accountant.
Yeah.
So over there, I was trying to give exam, but what happened after result? I realized like that was so tough for me. I was
Hmm.
good student in account sector, but I decided I want to take a risk. Then after that, I taken and I realized it's so difficult for me. Then I dropped this idea because it's totally like complicated for me. Then I realized like you are not capable to do this thing. You are not able to give it this exam because if you want, you have to prepare. You have to take a risk again and again, and
Hmm.
that was so complicated for me. But one time I taken a risk. One time I
Okay.
invested like 30,000 rupees. I
Hmm.
joined some classes like chartered accountant classes. So
Hmm.
over there, as a as a blind, what did you say that moment? As a blind,
Blindly.
yeah, blinded. I trusted blind.
Blindly. Blinded is completely different. Wait, I'll explain you. So blinded means we are blinded by it. It's usually used in songs and all. So we say like, I'm blinded by their charm. So
Okay.
that is what it means. Like I am completely charmed by that person. So I cannot see like that. Blindly means without thinking.
Okay.
And blind people mean people who cannot see.
Yes,
And
yes.
I'm thinking any other word is related to blind. Okay,
Okay.
but you're doing really well. Good job on, experimenting. You're
Yes.
experimenting a lot. That is an amazing thing. Good quality. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can go on.
Okay. So as a, as a blind, am I right? As a blinded. I'm
Blindly,
I'm
as
forgetting to
okay, what do you
clarify.
want to say? Try to discard that word itself because you're getting confused. Try to use some other word. What are you trying to say? First, we'll look into that. Yeah. Finish the sentence.
Okay. So I was trying to, like take a risk. Then after that, I taken and I lost my, money. Then I failed it, and that was, that was one lesson I learned. Like,
Mm-hmm.
don't enter any field without information. Don't enter. Don't take a risk like that. But I
Yeah.
taken, so I learned something like about some management, about accounting, about study. So I realized that. So that was one, one story. It's happened with me. Yeah, as a risk. Yes.
Um, I don't know what to say, but like good that you understood what works for you. So that is
Mhm.
like very important.
And second one, ma'am, can I share with you second
Sure,
story?
sure. Yeah, go ahead.
It's a couple of months ago.
Mhm.
I was trying to, drive a car.
Okay.
Yeah. So I taken a risk, but after what happened, I just, accident a mirror inside mirror. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, no, I don't
it
know.
must
That
be
was my
difficult.
first time I was trying to
Okay.
drive.
Okay.
So
Yeah. It is a
I wanted,
risky. Yeah.
yeah, I wanted to take a, take a right, but unfortunately, it's a happen. I turned, left like that. So side mirror
Oh,
has broken.
okay.
Yeah. So
That
that
is,
was second time I took a second risk. Yes.
yeah. But you were all right, right? You didn't get
Yes.
hurt.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank
I didn't
God.
get
That is
it.
good.
So,
And
ma'am,
it is so difficult. Yeah. So you were saying something.
I'm trying to make a sentence. So I'm speaking right and wrong. Like, I don't know what about my sentence, what about my story. So is it correct? And some like mix up something.
See, we haven't even talked for more than 5 minutes. So,
Okay.
let me like get an idea. We'll come
Yeah.
to the feedback part after that.
Yes.
So don't be nervous. It's okay. Whatever you feel like saying, just say it. It's totally fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just give me a minute. Uh, and it is difficult to talk. It is difficult to drive in Mumbai because there is so much traffic all the time. That city never sleeps. So I don't know how you manage to, learn a four-wheeler.
Yes.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. Mumbai is like a, metro city. Here is lots of traffic, signal, vehicle, even people don't have a time also, like, talking with the stranger. They
Mm.
don't have, we can say like we are living metro city. So it's like
Yeah.
busy city, and people also calling a dream city. Mumbai is,
Yeah. Absolutely. And
yes.
people are always running. I mean, whenever I've visited Mumbai, I'm like, okay, I don't want to be in the way, but people are like always running. So it's very difficult
Did you,
to navigate. Yeah.
ma'am, did you heard about Nala Sopara, like Western Mumbai? Did you heard about Nala Sopara station?
I've heard it on that comedy show used to come. Krishna he used to
Yeah,
talk a lot
Krishna,
about
yes.
Nala Supara. Yeah,
Right.
I've heard
Why
it.
I'm asking?
Mhm.
Because Nala Sopara station very famous in all Mumbai, in all over Mumbai.
Okay.
Lots
Oh.
audience, lots of people are they traveling Nala Sopara to
Mhm.
Churchgate in Mumbai, and all people are working in Andheri. Then after that, whole Mumbai. But
Yeah.
if I talk about all people belong to Nala Sopara, Virar to Churchgate, this is local train,
Mm.
Western local train. So it's so crowdy, so rush in morning time. It's very difficult to get up and get off. We can say it's very
Yeah.
difficult. Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense actually. Yeah. And
Even
traveling is very difficult in Mumbai from one point to the other. You'll have to like go understand the railway system, take two or three railways. It's too complicated. Yeah.
yeah, even
Mhm.
when I was doing a study in hospitality
Yeah.
department, so I was taking a train in morning time, since morning time, okay,
Okay.
like 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. That was my timing, okay.
Hmm.
So I, take a train. So that moment, too much rush, and I was just hanging in a door. Then after that, when I reached my
Oh.
station, so my clothes and my shoes and my, I was look like weird after get off. After get off, I was look like weird, you know. So it's very difficult.
Yeah.
It's very difficult traveling in Mumbai. It's very difficult.
I completely agree with you on this one because in Pune it's very easy. We can just take one cab and we go to the other station.
Mhm.
So it's
Okay.
yeah, it's
Because
not.
Mumbai is
Mm.
famous
Mm.
from local train. Mumbai famous
Yeah,
from local train. It's very famous. And
yeah,
if we talk about some places, some foods, vada pav, samosa pav, this is very famous. Junk food we can call to this is junk food, but it's very famous in Mumbai. You
yeah,
know.
absolutely. I completely agree with you on that. And okay,
So, ma'am,
uh,
talk about casual conversation. Like I think it's done.
mm, okay, sure.
Yeah.
So,
So I have
how
a
was
talk.
your? Yeah, yeah, sure. Go on.
Like are you watching a movies, Netflix movies, like Hollywood movies and some series?
Yes, I'm watching Hawkeye right now. Only three episodes are out, so that is
Which
something that
one?
I'm watching these days.
Which one?
Hawkeye.
Okay. Do you know Money Heist? Do you know Money Heist?
Yes, yes. I heard that five episodes of Money Heist is out right now.
Yeah, yesterday it's launched, it's
Yes.
released Money Heist, and it's amazing series. Volume
Mhm.
2, it's amazing. Like, over there, how they try to escape a gold, then after that a self, and how to rob a bank. It's very interesting topic.
Yeah,
I mean, it's interesting like a
yeah.
series.
Yes, absolutely. Like I've seen one season of Money Heist, and it was like I don't know why I stopped, but it was too intense. But yeah, the series is very well directed, and the dialogues and all are really amazing. So yeah, makes sense.
Especially professor dialogue, professor mind game, it's
Hmm.
mind. And in India, like lots of people are crazy about to watching this web series, because in this day, like outside the people, they knew that in Indian population is like so much, okay. So
Hmm.
if we make any movies, so in India, if we release any movie, definitely we will get a good point of good important thing, and video movie will going to viral. So that's why region in this day, lots of Hollywood movie, they are
Hmm.
taking a like they are how do we call, they are taking something in Indian candidate they are hiring.
Yeah, absolutely. I completely agree with you on that. I'm so sorry to cut you off, but we'll come to the feedback part if that is fine
Yes.
with you. And if we have time, we'll continue talking.
Okay.
So, I had a lot of fun talking to you. I know I was like skipping and organizing a lot of things. So, usually I don't do that, but the time is constrained over here. So, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh, I had a lot of fun talking to you. You were taking a lot of initiative to talk and you were coming up with different topics. There was a lot of energy. So, good
Mhm.
job on that. That is great. Uh, Compared to the pace was really nice. It wasn't too fast, it wasn't too slow. It's at a
Mhm.
good pace right now. So, good job on that as well. It is complementing with your voice because your voice has a lot of energy and a lot of confidence in it. So, it
Mhm.
is complementing, the pace is complementing with your voice. So, good job on that. Uh, coming to your English, you were using really nice words today, like casually, what happened, rush, amazing, escape, etc. There were a lot of words that you were using, and that was great. I love the way you tell a story because you don't say it from point A to point B to point C. You try to, give a whole summary of the story in a very unexpected way. So that is a very nice quality that you have. try to work a little bit on the storytelling part as well, because you're doing quite well in that. And in between, you ask a question and you answer it. So it is a very nice trick that you have. You make the audience, look into that part also. You make the audience think about it. So good job on that. Even that is very good. Working very well. Like we discussed before, you shouldn't use the phrase in these days. You just need to use these days. Secondly, the only problem you're facing right now is in the continuous tense. So whenever a sentence is in a continuous tense, that time you're messing up the verb form, that time you're messing up is not. So you need to work a little more harder on the continuous tense. I would suggest you to do, like, read something or watch something which is in a continuous way. There are these live narratives that people say, I am doing this, I am doing that. So wherever there is a continuous tense, try to look into that kind of content. And secondly, coming to the pronunciations, all the pronunciations were quite good. You're trying to sound very professional, and it is happening. Like, give it some time, you will be there. Right now you're at a very good place.